G'day, Jonathan here, Hyworth Forklifts. Here today I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on the new Hyworth 3-wheel battery electric forklift. Now this particular machine is probably the most versatile machine you're going to find in the warehouse environment. It's very compact, it can work inside and outside, and as you're going to see soon, it can turn on its own axis. It can turn in a really tight space. So yeah, just come with me and I'll just show you some of the features. So first thing I'm just going to show you, with these particular machines, they come in with a fork positioner. So the forks will come in and out automatically. There's a lever there so you can adjust for the width. If you've got different sized pallets, you can actually, you don't have to get off the forklift to adjust to pick up that pallet. Okay, this machine also has the LED headlights, and we also bring them in with a safety blue spotlight. So I don't know if you can see on me there, but if you can see that blue safety light, that means you're too close to the machine. So we have these fitted on the front and the back of the machine. Okay, now I'm just going to jump in the machine here and just show you some more of the machine in action. So now the machine won't work, nothing will work until you are sitting in the seat and you have your seat belt on, and the machine has to have the handbrake on as well. So they call that an operator presence system. That's something that you must have to comply with the Australian standards. So I'm in the seat belt on. I'm going to now take the handbrake off. It's in neutral, and you should see now it's going to work. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you some of the hydraulic functions here. I've got 4 different levers. So I've got my up, okay, I'm going to come down, and I'm going to now tilt. And we can side shift left and right. And now this is the fork position that I was talking to you about, where the forks independently move in and outwards, which is a really good feature to have. So now I just want to also show you just how small a space this machine can work in. So I'm just going to go forward here, and as you can see, it's just turning on its own axis, and I'm just working in a very tight space here. And yeah, very versatile. I've also got a dash. On the dash here we can program any of the settings here. So it's got settings for going up a hill. If you want to go slow, it's all fully programmable. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to find out any more information about this particular machine, jump on hyworthforklifts.com.au. Thank you.